The village of Zbelos will perform a tsunami siren test at 19 o'clock or 7 p.m. Wednesday, May 10, 2023. The sirens will sound multiple times in the Zbelos and EAS areas during this time. This is a test of the alertable emergency notification system from Struthshkon Regional District. In the event of an actual tsunami alert, information about the location of reception centers, other resources available, and when it is safe to return home would be provided. Thank you for your patience. No action is required. This is a test. Hot dog BBQ at the Zbelos Fire Hall with the new fire chief Aaron Moore and 6 p.m., 8 p.m. Wednesday, May 10th.
This is a test of the National Public Alerting System issued by the New Brunswick Emergency Measures Organization. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. This is a test only. No action is required.
This is only a test. This is a scheduled test of the public alerting system from Prince Edward Island's Emergency Measures Organization. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. This is only a test. No action is required. This is a test of NWT Alert Ready, the Northwest Territories public alerting system issued by the government of the Northwest Territories. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. This is only a test. No action is required. This is a test of the National Public Alerting System issued by the Nova Scotia Emergency Management Office. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. This is only a test. No action is required.
I was not expecting an earthquake alert to occur, but okay.
Smoke is causing poor air quality and reduced visibility. Air quality and visibility due to wildfire smoke can fluctuate over short distances and can vary considerably from hour to hour. Wildfire smoke can be harmful to everyone's health even at low concentrations. Continue to take actions to protect your health and reduce exposure to smoke. People with lung disease, such as asthma or heart disease, older adults, children, pregnant people, and people who work outdoors are at higher risk of experiencing health effects caused by wildfire smoke. Please call Healthline 811 for advice on health risks, symptoms and precautions associated with air quality. Visit www.earhealth.com for information on how to reduce your health risk and your personal contribution to pollution levels, as well as for current and forecast eco values. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. Stop outdoor activities and contact their healthcare provider if you or someone in your care experiences shortness of breath, wheezing, including asthma attacks, severe cough, dizziness or chest pains. Stay inside if you are feeling unwell and experiencing symptoms. Keep your indoor air clean. Keep your doors and windows closed if the temperature in your home is comfortable. Use an air purifier with a high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter in a room where you spend a lot of time. Avoid air purifiers that produce ozone. Check the filter and change it if required. For more information visit https://www.canada.ca/healthcanada/services/publications/healthy living/using portable air cleaner wildfire smoke HTML. Take a break from the smoke by temporarily relocating or finding a location in your community with clean, cool air such as a library, shopping mall or community center. Contact your local health or municipal authorities for more information. If you must spend time outdoors, a well-fitted, respirator-type mask, such as an EAS-certified N95 or equivalent respirator that does not allow air to pass through small openings between the mask and face, can help reduce your exposure to the fine particles and smoke. These fine particles generally pose the greatest risk to health. However, respirators do not reduce exposure to the gases in wildfire smoke. It is important to listen to your body and reduce or stop activities that are experiencing symptoms. Be sure to check on people in your care and those around you who may be more susceptible to smoke. Pay attention to information and direction from your local authorities and evacuate if told to do so. Review your wildfire smoke plan and make sure you have enough medical supplies if the smoke continues to impact your community. Contact your healthcare provider if your condition is not improving. Be aware of your mental health. It is normal to feel anxious or isolated during a smoke event. If you experience any feelings of stress, anxiety, or depression, contact your mental health care provider for advice or visit https://www.wellnesstogether.co/n-ca.
This is the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with the routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehima, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The Sacramento City.
This is a test of the Alert Ready National Public Alerting System issued by the Manitoba Emergency Measures Organization. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. This is only a test. No action is required. For more information about emergency alerts, please visit www.gov.mb.ca/emo.
Once again, I was not expecting an earthquake, but yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Wait.
At 3:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Parkland, Manitoba. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Ellis Archie, Birdtail Sioux and Birdtail Creek 57 Reserve. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information. At 2:03 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Saskatchewan. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Whitewood, Wapella, Moosomin, Fairlight, Wawota, and Genesee Lake. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to baseball-size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops. At 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Parkland, Manitoba. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: Ellis Archie, Birdtail Sioux and Birdtail Creek 57 Reserve. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to baseball-size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.